obviously the Prometheum timing was a little suspect. This is a pretty quiet firm. A lot of folks in DC especially really had never heard of these folks, but they did get approved for that special purpose broker-dealer license. And so what was obvious, though, in the hearing is that there seems to be a little suspicious timing, at least at the SEC, in regards to the Binance and Coinbase lawsuits as well. We have Prometheum being able to register, which will, in some idea, debunk the idea that there's no pathway to registration. But at the same time, there are a lot of suspect questions in terms of, A, the talking points that seem to be reiterating the SEC's lines that securities laws is clear. And then at the same time, there's also a lot of questions about the business model itself of Prometheum. And then finally, there's some ties to China as well. Now, mind you, again, they went through a CFIUS review as well as an SEC review as well on the China front. So our belief is that they shored up on that end. But of course, a lot of folks in Capitol Hill especially are wondering, A, why was this the first firm to get this special purpose broker-dealer license, 2 years over the fact that it was introduced? And at the same time, it did seem a little suspicious that they were reiterating these talking points right when Congress is going through a pretty monumental bill right now between the House Ag Committee and Financial Services that would regulate and give a pathway for crypto exchanges to register.
Yeah, exactly. Something just doesn't seem to add up with the Prometheum, and we really made all the connections between the Eastgate and Prometheum.